As home cooking, cozy dinner parties, and small group gaming nights become more popular, the demand for versatile electric raclette grills has surged. Cooks, whether busy typists finishing work or gamers gathering with friends, want a fuss-free way to grill meats, melt cheese, or warm veggies in one compact appliance. This guide evaluates raclette grills based on build quality, heating/temperature control, layout and capacity, ease of cleaning. List number 1. Cuisinmax Raclette Grill Electric Grill Table. The Cuisinmax Portable Raclette Grill delivers a flexible 2-in-1 design that lets you grill meats or veggies on the top and melt cheese or warm sides in the raclette trays below. Its reversible non-stick plate offers a grooved grilling surface on one side and a smooth griddle or crepe surface on the other, ideal for everything from steaks and veggies to pancakes or eggs. Thanks to its 1500-watt heating element, it warms up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures for even cooking. The 8 heat-resistant raclette trays make it perfect for gatherings. Each guest can melt their own cheese or heat a personal portion. Portability and ease of cleaning stand out. The plates and trays are removable, and the non-stick surface significantly reduces scrubbing. The compact footprint, roughly 19 inches by 9, helps in small kitchens or apartments. Users often praise how this grill turns cooking into a social, interactive experience, great for dinner parties or casual game night meals. List number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Raclette Table Grill. The Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Raclette Grill is widely recommended for first-time buyers or those who want a simple, reliable raclette experience. Experts and reviewers cite it as a top beginner grill because it's straightforward to use, with dishwasher-safe components and a dual-textured cooking surface, a smooth side for eggs or pancakes, and a ridged side for searing meats or veggies. Food and wine. With multiple heat settings, it gives you control over cooking intensity, which helps avoid overcooking cheese or burning delicate veggies. The grill surface is large enough to accommodate generous portions of proteins and vegetables, making it suitable for small family meals or a casual get-together with a few friends. Food and wine. List number 3. HBN Electric Raclette Table Grill with 8 warming trays. The HBN Electric Raclette Grill with 8 warming trays is designed to serve larger groups, making it a solid pick for family dinners or small gatherings. The 8-tray design allows each person to melt cheese, warm sauces, or heat sides individually, adding flexibility and personalization to your raclette experience. Its heating plate delivers even heat distribution, which is essential when cooking a mix of meats, vegetables, and cheese. The non-stick coating on the grilling surface ensures food slides off easily, which simplifies cleanup and helps prevent sticking or burning. The removable trays and plates make washing up fast and efficient, even after a full meal for several people. Build quality and layout cater to communal dining. The grill is wide enough to accommodate enough food for 6 to 8 persons at once. The design balances heat output and control, meaning you can sear meats while simultaneously melting cheese underneath, in the trays. This dual-tier capacity gives HBN an edge when hosting group meals. List number 4. Fondue Raclette Grill 2-in-1 Raclette Table Grill Indoor. The Fondue 2-in-1 Indoor Raclette Table Grill combines a versatile cooking surface with a budget-friendly design, offering a simple yet effective way to enjoy raclette-style meals at home. Its reversible nonstick plate provides both grilling and griddle areas, supporting meats, veggies, eggs, or even pancakes, while smaller raclette trays below handle melted cheese or warm sides. Many users appreciate its compact size, which makes it suitable for small kitchens or apartment living. List number 5. Fondue Raclette Grill 2-in-1 Rotatable Electric Indoor Raclette Table Grill. Another model from Fondue, the 2-in-1 Rotatable Electric Raclette Grill adds a twist, literally. Its rotatable design helps distribute heat more evenly across the grilling surface, which can improve cooking consistency when you're grilling multiple items at once. The reversible non-stick plate offers both a grooved grill surface for searing meats and a flat griddle side for eggs, pancakes, or delicate vegetables. This grill also comes with multiple raclette trays underneath, making it ideal for cheese melting, sauces, or warming sides while the main grilling happens above. The rotation feature is particularly useful when cooking for several people, helping avoid hot spots and ensuring more uniform searing or cooking. For small households or couples, its compact design and reasonable footprint make it easy to store and clean. The removable plates and non-stick coatings streamline cleanup. While it might not deliver restaurant-level sear or heavy-duty performance, for typical home cooking, steaks, veggies, cheese dishes, breakfast items, it performs reliably.